Hello, I have Home Goods, Paul, Ross, and something from Amazon, I think.
And a little dog.
And a little dog here. He's very excited to be filmed. He's just,
Yeah.
it's
hammy.
like a thing. Oh, and Mr. Retros is here.
Howdy.
Here he is. So, I braved the cold. Not as cold as other parts. But I went to Home Goods. You know, you never know what they're going to have there, I swear. You know, you go there looking for. I was looking for a pot to put in my studio for that Monstrosa philodendron, fake one I have in the corner. Of course, they had nothing, but I did find. These are so awesome. Look. It's a milk and cookie.
Are those
They're going to put them in my.
toys? Oh, I see. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're what I would call bowl fillers. Yeah, look at him. Look. Oh, they're so cute.
Dryer balls.
No, oh, he wishes. He's covets my dryer ball, boy. Oh, he loves them. He sits and waits for you when you take laundry out. Then these. Look. I don't know what they're supposed to be.
Maybe
Seasonal
they're Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, they look like Pop-Tarts or sandwiches. Not a toy, Victor. It says not a toy.
Not a toy. See?
Yeah, see, you can't have them. You'd chew these little beads up.
You'd ruin them.
You'll ruin them. So they're going to go in with my... and I'll show this other thing that I got. Then they had a smaller one of these. This wood looks better. See, this wood looks better. I'd had to paint that other one. That wood was so crummy.
Yeah.
So I got this one. No glassware. That's good. They had a lot of, like, big, heavy quartz things there. Like, a ball like this big that was quartz. It was super heavy. So I got this. I can put a little candle in it. Or I could use it. So see, that's smaller than that one. So I like this. And this was, these were all like $12.99. So I'm going to take these. Oh, this bowl's heavy. My big bowl that I can never remember the name of. I got these from last year. Remember I had these here last year and Lex really wanted them.
Yeah.
He kept looking at them and crying. That's baby retros for a baby. So these are really cute. Alright, so these can go in with these. Unleash these babies right now. These would be cute in a kitchen too. Target is doing some similar. House of Joni showed me. It was Target, and they had a croissant and a latte out of felt that were cute. She was going to try and find them, but I don't know. I don't even bother with Target here. See, Victor, see how nice they are. They're attached.
Oh, really?
Yeah, put them in there. Might not be room for everybody.
Yeah.
Don't get any big ideas, Victor. Let's see.
Yeah, you might pick off the stragglers.
Pick off the stragglers. Oh, these are cute too.
Oh, yeah, I see.
They're attached.
Victor,
Put them over
get out of
there.
there.
Get out of the scene, please. Okay, there. Oh, these are awesome. Okay, sorry, Mr. Avocado. Oh, these are really awesome. Oh, these are good. But here last year's, guys. So, there we go. Something along these lines. Oh boy, those are nice. You get out there. Oh, nice. Very nice. And I can put a little string of lights in there too. That will be quite lovely. You're right in the way. Come here, you. All right, see how nice that is, Victor? Yes, I don't like it. I want to be in the scene. So that's what I got at Home Goods. Then, oh, this matches my kitchen towels. This is my cousin sent this to me. She got me the kitchen towels at Christmas, and she sent me these mitts. I don't know how she knew my oven mitts that I have are sucky and awful. These are nice. Look at this. 2 of each one. They're too hot to handle, Chihuahua.
Caliente.
Muy caliente. Perito. So, these are very nice, yes. So, these are very nice. Thank you, Susan.
Yeah.
And then I went to the Ross. The creepy Ross. It's just like, they have 3 security guards up front. You're roped off, you know, like you're going into a disco. Or a club. You know, they have to let you in. So I got this pot. This is very nice. I like the fluting on it. It's sort of like my Bauer. It has a little bit of a Bauer look to it. So I think this will be good. But then, it's heavy. They had this one here, which is like almost like one of these it's like a bullet planter, really, but it's not fiberglass, it's metal. And I think this one's nice too, so I got them both. This is only $10 for this one. I think this one was $17. It's just, you know, you could sneak a light in this and make it into an uplight. You mind? Oh, and I have something else. Wait a minute, get my...
Victor, come here.
Okay, I just got this from eBay. I'm reclaiming my ute. I needed, I used to have this album.
Yeah, right.
And, do you mind? And
Victor, come here.
so I'm playing vinyl out in the studio, so I got this Street Hustle from Lou Reed, which is a great album. That's what's on it. It's a great album. I also have the Velvet Underground.
Banana one.
Yeah, the Banana one, and
With Nico.
was it Transformer?
Transformer. Oh, did you get that one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Transformer.
Yeah, I have Transformer and Velvet Underground, the Banana one with Nico. That's really their best one, you know.
For Underground, Velvet Underground.
Yeah. I should look up New York Dolls.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's what I'm going to be doing there. You know, you can still get these fairly affordable. They're like maybe $20 shipped, which is okay. You know,
It's in good shape.
it is.
What
It's in
appears to
nice
be.
shape. And then I'm going to show you something else. Just a second here. These are my Joanne nutcrackers that I stained with the walnut stain, and he put a clear coat on them for me. So these will be nice at next Christmas time. There they are. But they're nice and big ones. I might look for another one at some point so I have a nice grouping. But that's all I have. So I'll see you later. Bye, Victor. Goodbye. Say goodbye, Mr. Retros.
Bye.
Bye.